Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel subscription in iCloud. Let's start. So in front of you is the page that we have for support.apple.com because it pretty much gives you instruction on how to cancel or downgrade your plan basically for if you're using iPhone, if you're using Mac, if you're using Windows. In my case right now, I'm actually using Windows. All I need to do is just to open my iCloud, and if I need to cancel my subscription, I just need to go right here that says storage. When I click on that, it would open up this window, and then just need to click on add storage. Actually, if I am on a plan, so you wouldn't be able to see this one right here, but in this case I'm still on a free plan, didn't subscribe to anything. But if I would want to cancel, there's an option here that says downgrade, and I can just choose on that one. Okay, and that's pretty much how you would cancel your subscription. How you're gonna do it on your iPhone is pretty simple. Just click on Settings app. Once you are on your Settings app, just tap on the name that's shown at the topmost of the screen, and once you are there, you would be led to this page. Just click on Manage Account Storage. Once you're already there, it says Change Storage Plan. Just click on that one, and you would be able to see this one right here, wherein you could see downgrade options. Pretty much that's how you would cancel your plan. And there's also a way for you to not just downgrade, but you can just choose an option that says cancel iCloud Plus, and then you continue to enjoy the free 5 gigabytes of the plan. How you would downgrade or cancel your iCloud Plus plan on your Mac is pretty easy as well. Same, pretty much similar to what you do on your iPhone. Just go to your Apple menu, tap or click on system settings, and then you go to your Apple ID, click on iCloud, and click on manage. And this is how you would see as well. So see, it's pretty similar. And what I've shown you earlier is the same. So just using my Windows, that's how you would cancel your subscription. Okay, so if you want to learn more about iCloud, just subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, please hit on like. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.